Progress.
Deputy Attorney General Mwesigwa Rukutana has tabled the Constitutional Amendment Bill 2015 on the floor of Parliament. A few days ago, while dismissing claims that government was due to table a bill to lift the upper age limit for the president, Rukutana told Parliament that Cabinet had only approved amendments to the Land Act.
For the property declared for compulsory acquisition, to empower government or a local government to take possession of the property upon depositing the compensation awarded for the property with court pending determination by the court of the disputed compensation amount.
Rukutana explained that the Constitution Amendment Bill 2017 provides mechanism for government to acquire disputed land for public works.
The deposited compensation awarded at any time during the dispute resolution process, and to empower Parliament to prescribe the time within which disputes arising from the process of compulsory and land acquisition shall be determined.
The bill intends to resolve delayed implementation of government infrastructure and investment projects due to disputes arising out of the land acquisition by government. The minister said such delays have caused huge financial loss to government in penalties paid to road constructors for redundant machinery at construction or project sites as courts resolve the disputes. If the bill is approved, government or local governments would take possession of the property upon depositing compensation amount in court pending determination of the dispute in court. Attorney General Mwesigwa, who is the Ndora East MP, protested government's move to present a bill to amend one article of the Constitution despite an earlier directive by the Speaker to the Line Minister to present a comprehensive Constitution Amendment Bill.
Procedure at the beginning of this session, when a member was trying to bring a private member's bill to amend parts of the Constitution, you did direct government to come up with a comprehensive position on a constitutional amendment, and in particular, you directed that the Constitutional Review Commission be put in place with a view to see what aspects of the Constitution are going to be amended.
Other legislators feel the bill is intended to allow the state grab private land using the law.
We need development, but we also need our people to remain comfortable as people have been acquiring property. Because any time government can come and acquire your land because it has the authority to take it after all without any compensation.
Would it be a means to legalize the grabbing of the land? That is the fear that the people we represent have.
It means we shall open the door to the government to grab anybody's land without compensation, and the people who are down there shall stand disadvantaged. Therefore, we are going to fight this bill.
But some MPs backed the bill, saying it was long overdue and that the law would help government move faster in executing projects for national development.
If it's meant for a public purpose, if it's for defense, as long as it's something that is in the interest of the public, government can acquire it compulsorily. However, they have to make sure that the compensation which they pay the owner of the land is prompt and it's adequate.
Because I have cases where I've seen people, government comes and says, we are putting here this project, don't develop it. And for 10 years you're fighting over compensation. You are losing out on money. And in the end, government even comes in and develops the project.
As many are still questioning as to why the Constitution is being amended in piecemeal, the Speaker has now referred the matter to the Legal and Parliamentary Affairs Committee for scrutiny. More research, NTV at Parliament.